County in north central Texas, Collin County in north central Texas, northwestern Dallas County in north central Texas, until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:06 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Carrollton, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dallas, Plano, Garland, Irving, McKinney, Carrollton, Frisco, Richardson, Louisville, Allen, Flower Mound, Grapevine, Wiley, Coppell, The Colony, Farmers Branch, Satch C, Addison, Murphy, and Fairview. This includes Interstate 35E between mile markers 436 and 450. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for north central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.